Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a craft business with Michael's detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche within the craft industry. Research different types of crafts to determine what excites you the most. Visit Michael's or browse their website to explore available supplies and trends. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and budget. Calculate the startup costs associated with materials, tools, and marketing. Set your pricing strategy by analyzing competitors and understanding your production costs. Open a business account for better financial management and to separate personal from business finances. Consider registering your business name and applying for necessary licenses or permits. Build a strong brand by designing a logo and creating cohesive packaging for your products. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work and engage with potential customers. Establish an online presence by creating a website or an Etsy shop to sell your crafts. Participate in local craft fairs or markets to gain visibility and experience selling in person. Network with other crafters and small business owners for advice and support. Stay updated on craft trends and continuously refine your skills by taking workshops. Use Michael's workshops and resources for inspiration and to improve your craft techniques. Promote your business through seasonal events and special promotions to increase sales. Collect customer feedback to make improvements and adapt your product offerings. Stay organized by tracking your inventory, sales, and expenses regularly. Evaluate your progress periodically and adjust your strategies as needed for growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.